What's up, everybody? Mr. Seward here, your DDP teacher, and I am now going to be talking about the mirror tool. So CAD programs allow a designer to mirror images across lines, which is a very useful thing to do when you're designing parts that have a lot of symmetry. So I'm going to create a new part studio, or you're going to, and that's if you haven't already, because you should have, and you're going to name it mirror. And then we're going to use the line and circle sketch tools to create a similar figure to the one shown in the before image below. And I'm not too worried about the sizes of things. We're just trying to get the image down so that we can mirror it. So you can use a regular vertical line in the middle of the part to mirror about. I'm going to show you using the construction line how to do that. But anyways, what it says is that the top and bottom horizontal edges have to terminate at the vertical mirror line. So we're going to use the mirror sketch tool to mirror the figure across that mirror line. The mirror line is the one that runs right down the middle. So here we go. And I'm going to start a sketch on the front plane and look at that from the front. And I'm just going to use the line tool here. I'm going to go up here, and there is no dimensions whatsoever to this. I just want to create a figure that looks like this. And then we're going to do a rectangle here and a couple circles. All right. So symmetrical means the same on both sides. So the first thing I want to do is I want to turn on my construction tool and start the line tool. And I'm going to come right down, click at the top and at the bottom, and I have that construction line done now. The mirror tool is right here. And it says first select a mirror line. So the mirror line is going to be that construction line that we just created. And then it says select the entities to mirror. So I'm going to mirror all of these things. Whoops. And that. And that. I'm not going to mirror this line up here and this line down here. And that's on purpose. So I'm going to escape a couple times. Now, I'm going to use the extend tool. Remember, extend is underneath trim, but there's extend. I'm going to click on the end point of the extend tool. Whoops. Here we go. I'm going to bring that over. Now I'm going to do the same thing down here. And the reason I do that with the extend tool is I have one long line now. If I hadn't used extend, I would have drawn a line from here to here, and that's NG. So anyways, that's the mirror tool. So our next tool that we're going to use is called offset, and that's that's a pretty good one too. So I'm going to save my sketch, and I'm going to go down to my little plus sign, create part studio. I'm going to rename the part studio to offset, and we'll be ready to go with the offset tool next.